Ito yun guys, no? So, try lang naman natin for 90 days guys. Ito, susubukan natin kung ano magiging resulta sa atin. So anyway, we're going to start day 1 today with this resistance band training. Alright, so for day 1, gagawin natin yung chest and shoulder workout. Alright, so stand by guys. So, unang-unang workout natin para sa chest is yung decline press. Alright?